Hey legends!
I'm Jazzy.
And I am Robbie.
Buying presents for your boyfriend, dad, any male in your life is really hard.
So if you are stuck on what to get him, stay tuned and we are going to tell you 30 great presents that he will love.
We have put together 6 different categories that all of our presents fall into. Now, if you already roughly know what you want and you want a second opinion from a male, then go to the description box below and click to that desired category.
The 6 main categories are clothing, accessories, self-care and grooming, gadgets, food and drinks, and lastly, novelty items.
And if you don't know what type of present you want to get him, think about what type of guy he is.
Yeah, is he a gym junkie, tech nerd, gamer, foodie, or drink lover?
Is he clean cut and into fashion, or is he a traveler, a handyman, a businessman?
If you have no clue what type of interest he has, or you're a bit scared to buy something too niche, don't worry, just keep watching.
And I'm sure you'll find something perfect for him. Most guys are fairly easy to buy clothes for. It's either they don't care what they wear and they'll wear anything you put them in, or they might be someone that really loves clothes and has great fashion.
The easiest clothing to get for him are usually singlets or tanks, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, jackets, and even shoes. I find pants are hard unless you know his exact size or preferred fit.
If he loves working out and going to the gym, maybe an activewear set might be nice. Or if he loves going out, you can get shirts, jackets, or even some comfy casual shirts too.
Yeah, so I like wearing nice clothes, but I absolutely hate shopping. So any gifts that I receive that are clothing, I absolutely love them.
Since we are in the category of clothing, don't put out of the equation a nice set of pajamas.
Yeah, or even a pair of nice underwear like Calvin Klein's. Something that he normally wouldn't buy for himself because they're a bit pricey, but would definitely love to have.
Yes.
Accessories are a great present, but you do have to have a rough idea on his style.
Yes, and if you don't, maybe stick with something like a simple high-quality phone case or even a wallet.
But if you do know his style, you could definitely go with something like sunglasses or watches.
Yeah.
Now, depending on the guy, there are 3 types of watches. There are your everyday watches, like a G-Shock. There are going out watches, my personal favorite are Daniel Wellingtons. And lastly, smart watches, like Apple Watches and Fitbits.
I have a
you
Fitbit.
got Fitbit.
I just realized. I think every guy loves to smell nice, and if he doesn't, it's time for an intervention.
Colognes are great, and surprisingly, you don't actually have to spend a whole lot to smell really good. For example, I have worn $100 cologne and I've worn $10 cologne, and I've gotten more compliments on my $10 cologne. So,
But if he is really picky on his brand, you might want to steer away from that. Though, if you do know his favorite brands of cologne and you're willing to spend the money, then do so. Another thing is a grooming kit.
or even a body wash kit.
Also, another present that is great that he wouldn't even realize how much he'll love is a full body massage. Now, you can get a voucher from a store and he can go in and get his full body massage and he will love it.
The world today is so full of technology that you can't go wrong in buying a gadget. The only problem is some of them can be fairly pricey. But if you do have a good spending budget, this is definitely the category for you.
Something that is really cool is a wireless charging pad, and they have a variety of different charging pads that you can get for different prices. You can get one that just charges your phone, or if he has something as an example like all Apple products, you can get one that charges the phone, Apple Watch, the AirPods all at once. Now it just depends on the price.
I think a great headset or earphones are always a great thing to have. Whether he loves training, catches public transport to work, or he just loves music, these are definitely something that you need to pick up.
And on that note, if he loves music, you might want to get him a Bluetooth speaker. Now, he could use this for training outside, working outside, having parties, friends over. It's great for everything, and and now they have Bluetooth speakers for a variety of prices.
If he is a guy who is a bit of a handyman around the house, we have found some cool gadgets for him too.
There is this really cool one, and it's called the Tradie Magnetic Wristband. Now, I don't think it's ideal if you're on like a work site, but possibly around the house would be a cool gadget to use.
Yeah, definitely. And the last gadget we found is an essential for anyone who owns a car, and it is a phone holder.
Now, the food category is small, but if he loves food and beverages, he will love this.
It can be something as simple as getting his favorite drink, such as his favorite spirit, beer, or wine. You can't go wrong with it.
If he is a gym junkie, you might want to give him a voucher to his favorite supplement store so he can get protein bars and powders.
Or even his favorite sweets. He might have a favorite chocolate bar or candy that you know he loves. But if you're going to buy this, I do suggest coupling it with another smaller gift. Our last and final category is novelty items.
Now, you can go absolutely crazy with novelty items. They can be really funny, or they can be really strange, but you use them every day.
100%. And if you know he loves a particular TV show or movie, you can't go wrong with getting him any kind of attire like a t-shirt, mugs, socks, anything pop culture references they'll probably love.
And if he's a gamer, maybe he might like a vintage game set.
If he has dreams on traveling the world, there's a really cool wall map that allows you to scratch the countries off that you've already visited.
Or maybe he loves music, especially guitar, and you could get him a guitar pick with his initials engraved in it.
That's pretty cool. Personalized items are really cool and great for guys who love meaningful gifts.
You can nearly personalize anything now. You can do watches, pillowcases, shirts, the list goes on. Now, there is one last option that didn't really fit into any of the categories, and that is a surprise getaway.
Now, this could be for you guys as a couple or a getaway for himself.
And you can find so many great deals online. One website that I love to use is Groupon, and you can do trips and even experiences too.
So guys, those were 30 gifts that any guy would love.
And comment down below what one your favorite suggestion was.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See ya!
Ready?
Thready?
Thready?
What did they thready?
With sweaty?
Sweaty and threatened. I feel threatened with thready. I'm really thready.